In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Google Calendar effectively. This might seem like a simple task, but ensuring your calendar is up to date is crucial for managing your time and commitment seamlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to make sure you're seeing the most current events and reminders in your schedule. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. This can be done by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Calendar website. If you already have it bookmarked, that's perfect. Simply click on your bookmark. If not, type calendar.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will bring you directly to the day view of your calendar, displaying all your upcoming events and tasks. It's important to make sure you're logged into the right Google account if you have multiple accounts, as this will ensure you're viewing the correct calendar. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, the next step is to refresh the view so that you have the latest updates. This is particularly useful if you've recently made changes on another device and want to ensure that everything is synced correctly. You can do this in two simple ways. The first option is to press the refresh button located at the top of your browser window. It looks like a circular arrow and is usually found near the address bar. Clicking this button will reload the page and update your calendar with any new information. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can refresh your Google Calendar by pressing the F5 key. This shortcut works across most web browsers and is a quick and efficient way to refresh your page without having to reach for your mouse or trackpad. It's a nifty little trick that can save you time, especially if you're in a hurry or need to update your page frequently. Refreshing your calendar is a simple yet powerful step in ensuring you have the most accurate picture of your schedule. By taking a moment to refresh, you can avoid potential scheduling mishaps or missed appointments, as you'll have the most current information right at your fingertips. So there you have it. Refreshing your Google Calendar is as easy as heading to the website and clicking a button or pressing a key. Whether you're triple checking a busy day or casually browsing for weekend plans, keeping your calendar updates at the forefront will help you stay organized and time efficient. Thank you for watching this guide on refreshing your Google Calendar. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you can now manage your schedule with even greater confidence. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on navigating Google tools with ease.